Hello everyone and welcome back. We're going to do our in-home field day today. I'm sorry we can't be together to do these at school, but we have some challenges for you to try on your own or with a partner in the house. So let's get started with our virtual in-home field day. Let's get started. So for our first activity, we're going to do a sock toss. Usually you could do this with a water balloon, but we're going to keep it a little bit more clean with this sock. The basics are you're going to toss back and forth with a partner. Each time you catch it, you're going to take a step back. Whoever drops it loses. So let's do a quick demonstration. For our second activity, we're going to transfer water. We're going to go from cup to cup in a race. We're going to see if we can get to a certain fill line before my partner does. Or if I do it on my own, I can see how quickly I can do it each time. I'm going to fill one cup completely with water. Then I'm going to space them out in the yard. I'm going to take my rag, dip it inside, get as much water as I can, run to the next cup, squeeze it in, and then run back and repeat the process until I get to a certain line on my cup. Let's show you how. So I'm going to use a dry erase marker so I can make sure I can erase it, or just use a disposable plastic cup. And I'm going to make a line right across here. So that'll be my fill line, so I know when to stop and when to stop the activity. Well, that one went pretty fast. You can either separate these cups a lot farther apart or use a bigger container like a bucket. You might have to mark up on the inside since not all buckets are see-through. So try either one. For our third activity, we're going to do an egg walk. You're going to get a hard-boiled egg, not a raw egg, and a spoon. To make it more challenging, make your spoon smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and walk from one end of my walkway to the other. It is a little bit cleaner if you do this outside in case you do drop it. You can do this over the grass too so it doesn't crack, and you can reuse the egg. And I encourage you to challenge someone else in the house, or if you're on your own, you can challenge yourself to beat a certain time. So let's try it out. That metal spoon was a little easy, so I'm choosing a wooden spoon because it's a little flatter. It'll provide an additional challenge. Let's try it out. So for our next activity, we're going to do a towel flip challenge. In our towel flip challenge, we're going to lay our towel completely on the ground, nice and flat, like so. We're going to stand on it with 2 feet. Now the object of this game is to stand anywhere you'd like with 2 feet. You cannot use 1 foot at any time. So we're going to use 2. And the challenge is to flip the towel completely over without stepping off. So we have to keep 2 feet on, flip the towel over, and see if we can do that in the quickest time. So if you're with someone else, try to challenge them to see who can do it the fastest, or just try to challenge your own time to see if you can get it under 1 minute. Or under 30 seconds. So I'm not going to demonstrate it, but you are allowed to move the towel in any which way that you want, but I'm not going to give the secret away, so you try it on your own first. Give it a go. For our next challenge, we're going to do a paper airplane cornhole. To do that, you need some paper airplanes and some sort of basket, bucket, or even a laundry basket as your target. So I will place my target here, and I'll stand kind of farther away. And I'm going to see if I can get my paper airplanes to land inside my basket. If I hit the basket, it's 1 point. If I make it inside the basket, it's 2 points. You can see who can get the highest score in maybe 3 planes, or you can see who can get the highest score in 1 minute. So let's give it a few tries. So for this next game, we're going to do a water bottle trap game. To play, we're going to need a ball, an empty water bottle, and a laundry basket. So to play the game, we're going to roll the ball into the water bottle, trying to trap both. If we only manage to knock down the laundry basket over the ball, it's 1 point. If we only trap the water bottle, it's 2 points. If we trap the ball and the water bottle, that's 3 points. Let's give it a try. cornhole challenge, we're going to do what's called the shoe balance challenge. This one might take you a few tries to complete, but we're going to first start by laying on our back. We're going to get an extra shoe, and we're going to lay it on top of one of our shoes. The goal now is to turn completely over from your belly back around to your back again without dropping the shoe. Let's try it out. Alright, that's all of our in-home virtual field day activities. I hope you enjoyed them, especially that last one, the shoe balance challenge. That one, including a few others, came from the PE specialist. He has his own YouTube channel and I'll link him down below. I hope you enjoyed all the videos I've made, and thanks for watching.